Did you know that cultivating soft skills is equally important to the success of your business? This is true whether you're an employer, an employee, you're generally in the workforce. You shouldn't sleep on them. And on this episode, I'm going to be sharing the top 5 soft skills every business person should have. First of all, what are soft skills? So soft skills basically means your ability to interact and work with others, and they are important for effective communication, for teamwork and collaboration, for problem solving and conflict resolution, for leadership and professional growth, and for career enhancement. Now, what are the top 5 soft skills every business person should have? The first is communication skills. Yes, as a business person, you need to have good communication skills. And when we're talking about good communication skills, you need to be skilled in both the verbal and non-verbal communication. So verbal communication simply means your ability to convey your message in a clear and a concise way, either orally or in writing. So you need to know how to write emails, how to write reports, just how to make sure that your listeners get the purpose and intent of the message you are sending. Now, when we talk about non-verbal communication, we're talking about the body language, the facial expression, the eye contact, the vibe and attitude you give off when communicating to others. And trust me, these two is important. Now, the next communication skill is interpersonal skills, which we also refer to as people skills. So when we talk about interpersonal skills or people skills, you need to be an active listener. Yes, you need to listen with intent. This will help you gain insight into the other person's thoughts, feelings, and emotions. Okay, and at the end of the day, you'll be able to gather your thoughts and make sure that what you're about to say is what the other person need to hear. Your choice of words, your tone, your pitch, everything should just be on point. Okay, and then you need to have a good sense of humor. And also, you need to show empathy in listening. Try to understand the other person's point of view. Try to understand where the person is coming from. That will help you to communicate well with the person. And also, you need to be able to give and receive constructive criticism. This is essential for a business success. The next skill that I'll be looking at is flexibility and adaptability. Yes, especially if you're working with different kinds of people with different personalities and you're working with different projects, you need to be able to adapt and be flexible. You need to continue to work on yourself, keep on improving, be open to change. And working with different people and different projects brings uncertainties, brings challenges that you may not have foreseen. So your ability to bounce back from those uncertainties, your ability to be resilient is vital for business success. So don't just shut people out, okay? Don't just say, oh, I can do this on my own. Be innovative and be creative. That's very, very important. And the fourth skill we'll be looking at is teamwork. Okay, the success of your business depends on the efforts of your team members. So team members need to come together, need to put resources together, need to work together to collaborate to achieve a common goal. And that means that sometimes you need to extend a helping hand to your members, and you also need to receive help from them. So when you work together to achieve a common goal, you get to increase productivity and you also get to save time, which is essential for business. The next skill is time management. Of course, time is crucial, and as they say, time waits for no one. So your ability to manage time efficiently will tell if you will be a successful business person or not. And when we talk about managing time, you need to know how and when to delegate tasks and what kind of tasks to delegate to others. You need to know how to prioritize tasks so that you can do the more important ones first, and then you can have more time and energy to do the less important ones so that none of them suffer. Okay, and then you also need to know how to schedule your time. And to schedule your time, there are so many apps that can help. We have Google Calendar, we have Calendly, and others. I will be talking about these in my subsequent videos, so you want to watch out for them. And you should also be able to work with little or no supervision, and you should also be able to work under pressure, because work comes with pressure. So your ability to handle and deal with all of these will tell if you're going to be a successful person or not. So that's it for the top 5 soft skills every business person should have. So remember that you need to constantly work on them. If you're not a master of these skills, that is no problem. You need to constantly practice to perfect yourself. And then at the end of the day, you'll be glad you did. So I want you to do 3 things for me, okay? First, subscribe. Second, give me a thumbs up if you like this video. And third, turn on your notification icons so you can be notified when I drop a new video on the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.